My name is Yusuf Khan, tourist guide for last 30 years. I am 56-year-old and all this time I am living in Agra. Lots of people. It is a shame on us, but we are doing this. We are throwing that trash into the open sewage and drainage water. This open drainage was not a drainage. It was actually a canal for irrigation created by the British, connected with the Shahjahan Park. So during the childhood, we did the fishing also in this, and we were using this water to take bath, and sometimes we were using for drinking also. It was very clear and safe water. People are using the discharge water of their houses into it. Then they are throwing the garbage, especially the plastic. And the street dogs, the cows, they are coming and they are searching the food. As it is related to everybody, whether poor or rich, small or big, young or old, we all are contributing. We are throwing the trash and we are blocking the sewage, we are blocking the open drainage, and we are inviting the mosquitoes. And this is all we have to do, the contribution from bottom to top. It is not the responsibility only for the government or the department. It is the responsibility of every Indian citizen